Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you where to find your Spotify Wrapped playlist. So as you know, Spotify released their Spotify Wrapped 2022 playlist about a couple of hours ago. So I'm going to show you where to find it. So it has to be on your home screen. As you can see, mine is not here, so either it's here or on the bottom of my screen you can see four icons: a home icon, a search icon, your library icon, and a premium icon. We're gonna click on the search icon, and as you can see, when it says under browse all, there's 2022 wrapped. So that's where your playlist is. We're gonna click on that, and this will bring you to your 2022 Wrapped, the best of 2022, the top tracks and artists of 2022, best new podcasts of 2022, best episodes of 2022, and a look back at 2022. And that's about it. That's how you find your Spotify Wrapped playlist. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!